Welcome to our channel. Today we how to share location on Google Maps, navigation guide step by step clearly.
Open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Tap on the blue dot that represents your current location.
A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen.
Select Share Your Location. Choose how long you want to share your location for. You can set it to share for a specified time or until you turn it off. Next, select the contacts with whom you want to share your location.
You can choose from your Google contacts or share via messaging apps. If sharing through a messaging app, tap on the app icon.
The app will open with a message pre-filled with your location link. You can add any additional message if you wish. Once ready, tap Send or the corresponding button in the app.
Your location is now shared with the selected contacts.
To stop sharing, return to the Google Maps app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Location Sharing from the menu. Find the contact you want to stop sharing with. Tap on Stop next to their name. Confirm your choice to stop sharing your location. Now you know how to share your location on Google Maps.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.